Car glass is an important part of a car, but sometimes it can get adhesive stuck on it, which makes it look dirty and unclear. Luckily, here are some simple and easy ways to remove adhesive from car glass. Glass cleaner softens the adhesive so it comes off easily. It also makes the car glass clean and clear. Spray Windex glass cleaner on the adhesive and gently scrub the area with a razor blade. Do it carefully to avoid damaging the glass. Then, wipe the glass with a kitchen paper towel. This will completely clean all the residue from the surface. WD-40 helps break down the sticky adhesive, making it easier to scrape off and leaving the car glass clean. Spray WD-40 onto the mirror while placing a kitchen paper underneath. Then, scrub the adhesive with a plastic scraper. If needed, spray more WD-40 on the adhesive and continue scraping the residue. This will help remove the adhesive properly. Wipe the glass with kitchen paper and then clean the mirror with a wet kitchen paper. You will see that all the residue is gone. Nail paint remover helps dissolve the adhesive quickly, making it easy to wipe off from car glass. Pour some nail polish remover on a cloth and start rubbing it on the glass. You will see the adhesive coming off. If needed, pour more nail polish remover on the cloth and scrub again. This will give you amazing results with no adhesive residue left behind. For the next method, spray foaming glass cleaner onto the adhesive and scrub the area with a razor blade. Make sure to do this carefully to avoid any damage. You will see the adhesive coming off, and the glass will be clean in no time. For another method, spray adhesive remover on the glass and make sure it covers the entire area. After that, take a razor blade and start scraping off the adhesive. You will see it coming off easily without much effort. Remove all the adhesive from your window glass, and it will be clean. Razor blade can be used to scrape off glue, but it must be done very carefully to avoid scratching the glass. Hold the razor at a 45-degree angle and gently slide it under the adhesive. Work slowly and avoid pressing too hard. This method is best for flat glass surfaces and should not be used on tinted windows, as it may damage the tint. Rubbing alcohol breaks down the sticky adhesive and makes the glass easy to clean. Scrub the glass adhesive with a cloth soaked in rubbing alcohol. Continue scrubbing until all the adhesive is removed from the surface. This will leave the glass clean and clear. Keeping your car glass free of sticky residue makes it look better and helps you see clearly while driving.